Around the world, there are more than 3 million children living with HIV. The majority of those are living in Africa and Asia and other parts of the developing world that don't have access to the healthcare and educational resources. Life in developing countries is complicated to begin with, but for children living with HIV, the situation is even more difficult because these kids need regular medical care. And because of that, they need more caring adults and support around them. And they need to know how to take care of themselves. They need to know that staying on medication is really critical to their health, but they also need to have some fun and feel that kind of social support and not feel alone in the battle. I spent 20 years working on maternal and child health programs, helping families raise healthy kids. It's really important that we improve children's health globally. But in addition to helping kids survive, we really need to pay attention to how kids thrive. SeriousFun Children's Network is a global community of camps and programs that serve the needs of children living with serious illness. Through our global partnership program, SeriousFun works with local non-governmental organizations and clinical providers. We train their teams in how to deliver camp and how to build kids' resiliency and self-confidence. Camp in developing countries might look a little bit different than camp that we may have seen ourselves growing up, but they have sports, they have arts and crafts, they have a lot of those kinds of activities, but they also have very intentional activities that build life skills, that allow children to talk about taking medicines and actually celebrate taking medicines. And that's critical for kids for whom taking medicine has been stigmatized because they're fearful to disclose to people that they have HIV. So by being in a group of other children who are also taking medicine, they realize there are many children just like me, and this is a good thing. We've embedded research in our programs so that we could talk to children after camp to ensure that these kids are not just maintaining their levels of confidence, but also staying on medication, finding caring adults in their community with whom they can discuss their illness. That's a really important part of maintaining their own health and building their psychosocial health, their own acceptance of their disease, and their own commitment to maintaining a healthy lifestyle because they can live healthfully with HIV. At SeriousFun camps, we're incredibly intentional about providing a medically safe environment, but also creating fun and supportive activities that can help children grow and develop. And that's really what's so special about SeriousFun camps.